Today, I am reviewing the MOVA Handheld V10 Cordless Pool Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Having managed a backyard pool for years, I have come to realize that while large robotic pool cleaners are fantastic for automated, full pool cycles, they often leave much to be desired when it comes to quick spot cleaning. If a sudden gust of wind blows a handful of leaves into the shallow end, or if a guest tracks sand onto the steps, dragging out a heavy, motorized robot and untangling its cables feels like a massive chore. That is exactly why I decided to invest in the MOVA Handheld V10 Cordless Pool Vacuum. I wanted something lightweight, nimble, and highly effective for quick touch-ups. After using this handheld rechargeable unit for several weeks across various parts of my pool, I am incredibly impressed by how much utility and power this compact machine brings to the table. When you first hold the MOVA Handheld V10, the immediate takeaway is its thoughtful, ergonomic build quality. It features an IPX8 waterproof rating, which gives you complete peace of mind when submerging the unit fully into the water. What really anchors the physical design is the included 5.9-foot high-strength aluminum telescopic pole. It is remarkably sturdy, showing zero frustrating flex even when extended to its maximum length. The handle design is highly adjustable, allowing me to easily clear debris from shallow tanning ledges and steps without having to constantly bend over or strain my knees. According to the specifications, it can comfortably adapt to water depths ranging all the way from 0.7 feet to 9.8 feet, and in my deep end, it reached the bottom floor effortlessly while keeping my hands completely dry. Performance is where a manual handheld vacuum either shines or fails, and the V10 shines brilliantly. It is engineered with an advanced axial flow pump rather than a conventional centrifugal pump. This structural choice is critical because it means the vacuum does not lose prime or stop working when you pull it into ultra-shallow zones like sun shelves or top steps. The suction power sits at a robust 18.5 gallons per minute, driven by a highly efficient motor and a smooth flow channel design. In real-world testing, this translates to incredibly consistent, high-efficiency suction. I tested it against a variety of household pool nuisances, including fine silt, stray hairs, windblown leaves, patches of algae, and even small gravel pieces that my kids tracked in from the driveway. It swallowed every single bit of it without struggling or spitting debris back out into the clean water. One of my favorite design details is the transparent suction head. It sounds like a simple feature, but it fundamentally changes how efficiently you clean. Because you can see directly through the vacuum head in real time, you can target specific stains and piles of debris with absolute precision. This visibility prevents you from making repeated, aimless passes over the same spot, which saves both time and battery life. Furthermore, if you encounter tight angles, right-angled steps, or complex corners, you can easily pop the suction head completely off. Removing the head allows the raw intake nozzle to get flush against the edges and corners of the pool walls, ensuring no hidden dirt pockets are left behind. The filtration system is equally well thought out, providing two distinct, reusable filter bags right in the box. This dual filtration option allows you to customize the vacuum based on what you're cleaning. For heavy-duty post-storm cleanups, you can slip in the 300 micrometer filter bag, which is optimized to catch large leaves, twigs, gravel, and insects without clogging up. For standard daily maintenance, you can switch over to the ultra-fine 30 micrometer filter bag. This finer mesh is an absolute lifesaver for capturing troublesome microscopic particles like fine silt, dead algae, and sand that usually slip right through standard pool nets. Rinsing the bags out with a garden hose takes less than a minute, making the post-clean maintenance entirely hassle-free. Battery performance has also exceeded my expectations. A single full charge delivers a solid 60 minutes of continuous runtime. Because this is a manual spot cleaner, an hour of active vacuuming time is more than enough to handle multiple full pool touch-ups throughout the week before needing a plug. When the battery does run low, the advanced fast-charging technology kicks in, allowing the internal battery to completely top off in just 1.5 hours. Most competing cordless vacuums require 3 to 5 hours to recharge, so this rapid turnaround time is a massive win for convenience. Additionally, the motor operates quietly, which makes the cleaning process a peaceful experience rather than a loud, disruptive chore. MOVA backs this vacuum with a reassuring 2-year warranty and 24/7 after-sales support, which provides great peace of mind for a product that undergoes constant water submersion. If you are looking for a powerful, fast-charging, and incredibly versatile handheld companion to keep your pool pristine between major cleanings, the MOVA Handheld V10 is an exceptional choice that delivers professional-grade results.